Do you want me to rotate it?
If it works, yeah, I don't know.
Okay, it's working now, so let's try rotate it.
There you go.
What happened? Rotation is locked. Okay.
Oh, my rotation is locked.
Yeah.
You can unlock it.
Go. Oh. Okay.
I'll just go back to normal. Just go the other way. Yeah.
Oh my goodness. Okay, now we live again. Sorry, you guys. It's a lot of trouble today. Some day are disadvantages. So. Hello, you go got Dan. The Nian, we can have a little while because live start over the love who narrate the corner, but my lure at camera play the Niva mono. A good need to comment I did let the thing about me Wi Fi Jibano, but make a live running away that let disconnect mono. Kodani, the Hanyani, Quemu Batilla, Daily Korean News, YouTube channel. The Nini made a la October Kichi Quithomono, Aweni Kiro Kisi, the Kaini, no Yada Yatakom, Aweni Munar Mohamed mono. Away Aweni Hikahi no Bakawe Dala, a Tandilo data Hutala, Aweni Jokomiti mono, a Kodani Chonino, Aweni Munar introduced La Tade Pamono, a Wakatepia Wagi Glumono, Kodani Yak Glutimono. So, yeah.
Hello everyone, my name is Hussein Mohamed Nur, and I was originally born in Somalia, Africa, and then my family migrated to the United States 1999, and then we ended up in Marshall, Minnesota. I was about 5 years old when I came here.
Hello, Gordon, or Jani Mimi Weda, no Muna Hussein Mohamed, do you upleto Wedala Somalia, right? Somalia, do you have Wedala when you American 90 what you moved?
1999.
1999 no to to quia quisi quini no we have Wedala ko America woman do have Wedala Marshall. How many years you been in Marshall?
Over 20 years now. 2021 will be over 20 years.
Okay, you have Wedala Marshall, no? Willa Marshall to play you way, no? Wedala Minnesota when you cost the woman, when you Weda, Niki Blelimono.
And now I am currently a graduate student at Southwest Minnesota State University, SMSU.
Do KK no you Weda graduate to Portugal when you Southwest Minnesota State University, no? University to play Malota Pay, no? Graduate student Sitanina, Jopola when you Amaloeda Piasomo College Oyano, Luini, I gave it up, Pacoida undergraduate, no? Luini Puayadin Kistamaloda, Sunyala Master, Todini, no? Pacoida graduate, mono, Putania, we gave it no graduate student.
Yes, and I got my undergrad in political science and justice administration and a minor in pre-law.
Do when you don't about whether when degree no la undergrad degree no made a political science.
Justice administration.
When you justice administration, bakaweda la percom no political science bakaweda la tirukote no. The next one.
And then a minor in pre-law.
Rodin no la pre-law mono pre-law ni bakaweda la tamalueda Tico tato tabla agreement, the Klula Nagale Toweda, Dito lawyer Jodim that in a Bama Lumono, who then I will graduate with a degree, didn't the Pamono?
Yes. Now I will tell you why I'm running for school board, but also what is the school board.
Dokani, no, you get Debianala, Bam New Hoy, Nilaweda, Tahutala, when you joke committee leno, do a sobitani, Edu Debia Tilano, Tala Jocomitini, Gamini Lemono.
Let's first start with what is a school board.
Because I told when you took a meeting again in Lemon.
School board is a collaborative governing system of the school district, which is K through 12. A collective group of members in Marshall who get elected will be the governing system for all schools from K through 12.
Dotala when you joke committee mono, joke committee ni a geweda Persha at a poo no, Lapa hooter to Lala when you jo a distress mono, when you lock a walk or charka puno, do a wedding in or Pujatale away the Poweda, Bakaweda, Joni, Satoweda la Tobla Jo, Duweda la when you Toto Jo mono. I gave it a committee to put a mood down on la with the Bakaweda letter senior city that it pan.
And Marshall School District is pushed through our mission. Our school mission is
when him Marshall no la will I open no Marshall Joe prepared in aware a mission in or give it
to educate, to support, and prepare all learners for success.
Meweda no ka du ku te ku ba tho do ka so thwe pwala amalu ta ko ga de di to ka uda ta man mo no.
With that being said, now what motivated me to run for school board?
Do ta mane du tho we tho ya la when ni ye ka when ni nu lo we da ta khu the no la when ni jo committee go le no.
I actually had community members, family, and teachers from our school district encourage me to run.
Do when ni bam nu ko le no hi po ko po mi gi do pa le ti nya mi gi jo po mo pa mi gi no do pa le ti nya la u we da la when ni jo ko cha bu phe de phan ni no hi ba ya le ye ka nu lo da ta khu the mo no.
And also, as our student population increases, our board members should reflect our community and our district.
Lord ni academy ni no di we da la pa jo mo no pa ko cha we ni jo we ni jo po no wi no a tho we da to no pwa la pa sure da ti phan ni no ka ba me da pwa la we ni reflect sit da ni do lo we da no ba me pwa la do lo we da la di to pa jo pho ti pha mo no do sit da ni no la we ni What you pull with a Kalukulumiano, go with a Pitala Colatu Colawadi Miano, Dinia to Pala, Pusher Aglana Kitty, Kaba Usiko with a Kalukulumano, I do sit at dinner.
And also a diverse background and inclusive environment of school boards not only enriches but educates all of our learners. So students, teachers, and staffs.
Bloody need to committee to pull out Ueda la Pusher Akalukulumono, diversity and in Ueda Kaluduka, Kikan in me quite a la Poeda la Masher Lokowani, Arkilla to committee a glani Kekalawati Lomono, a Kudani to sit and in a to committee a glanino. Mid diverse mono, dito Kaluka me pahu, no, Bamnukula Chopo classical Ueda da Kaluka mea, a Kudanino, that when you could do when you could the Kuba to da Chupur Pamano.
Which that leads to, if we have a diverse background, a diverse board members, it will lead to how can we help support a diverse populations of student, but also support. What kind of support can we provide to students that are not the majority?
Bloody Nilla, Pala, Pusher, committee a cliano, me over that Kuludu, Hakumono, Kuludu, Hakami, Pahumata Kota, no, Kiket her daddy Tomono, Pocachot that Jupola, Usikoda, Kuludu, Gadi Pamono, La Lochote Pado, Pocachot her delay the Pamono, Bam Nicola when he gave daddy to. Minority sitani pwala ano wichamono do kike ni mi kwani la jobu ni no pwala no ki ani kmira kalwa basa do la jopo klani kludu kha khela ano wichati ura pha anya sikomono.
Overall, the reason why I'm running is to represent, inspire, inclusify, and lead our school board.
Do when he tagri no mi ba tele la bam ni ho yin ni lo da ta khu thela when he jo committee le no dito when he jo committee aglani no klu kha khela persure ta hi muda ka pa hu go no do ka share with that when he what was that two more things to lead,
inclusify, inspire, and represent.
When he dito ke keweda ke kera dito khuna ra la when he Satawedala, Pala represent Satawedala, the Tokluduka, the Padia, no, bloody ni ke inspire ni di to du chu tho we da no ke tho da ta kwa lo la ke du kha ke pha go mo no.
With that being said, not only am I here to ask for your vote, but also I want to encourage those who are watching to take these leaderships in the school board. A school board member does not get, I don't want to say does not get paid, because a school board member, not only school board, but like I want to push the viewers to join these governmental elected positions, because who knows best of our own culture? May it be Somali, may it be Korean, may it be Latino, who knows best for our children or students in our district than us?
Do la ya ha ke to ko ra de ti phei ni no de mi tha la ye khi we da la ti ke hi ya ta pha ba mo no de mi da lo chwa ra ba la ma she u ti pha mo no ye do hi ba se ko da la no ti ke nu lo da ta khu tha la ke do ni ba da khu na lo di de pha no ma mi ko le no when ni me dito me ke ra Somali no mi mata ke tinya Somalia ta cheta la de Somali pho de ta lu a do ni di Somali de ga le don mi ke pa ka nyo de ga ni no mi mata ke tinya we da pa ka nyo pho ta lu no ne di no pho ta lu do ni di pa ka nyo pho de ga le no don mi ke da Spanish mi gi no mi mata ga le ke tinya Spanish ri klu do ni di Spanish de ga le e do si ta ni pa ka cha da we lo ni pe tinya pa ri pa klu pa ta lu mo no a ku ta ni pa ka ba nu lo dito ko do ni ba ta lo da la we ni Persia ta kla no dito pe senior set da la pe pa to we mi ge po peli mi ge ata lu ke te ko mo no bam ni ko le pa la ti nya pa ta che ta la a do ni di bwa ni do ba pa ka cha lo pa ti nya pa ta che ta la di ne to pa ka cha lo ti nya da pa di po pho ata lu ba mo no.
And not only does that help our students, but it also helps others to learn our cultures, to learn and grow as a community and unite as one, rather than be separate and we become the messenger. Rather, we take a part of the seat and become the inclusifier and connect each other.
Do ta we ni mo no ta we ni ke ta mi la ke blue chela po wa si ko ba ke blue si ko la pa kha kha ti pha la ka ma lu we da pa ta che ta la no ka ma lu a tho po ri po klu mo no a khu ta ni mo no di to ne nu lo we da ta khu cha la ne ka do ni ba ta lo da la la lo chin no la ba per bra da no ka mi ti di ya kla ni no ne ke tho da pwa ta ga la su kho we da ta ka so no di to ne ke tho da pwa ta ga la ke tho da ta do ta te la ne pwa ta we ho la ne pwa ka lu go da la ne pwa ta we bu di to na ka ma khu ma pho ta go mo no di to pa ka ti nya tho na ta che ta la pa ka ti nya tho na de la pwa a ga mi ti nya lu ta de ta khu ta pho o mo no.
With that being said, how do we vote? I would love to explain how you guys can vote.
Do ba ka la ta we ni pe hi ta pha ni ka ba hi di le mo no ye ke te pya ti la we ni ke hi ne ti ke hi ta pha di le mo no.
There's two ways to vote. The day of election and request the ballot.
Ne hi we da ta pha ti we da ki bo no a we ni ne le hi we da la ta khu cha ni no la ta khu cha ni no mi da kha do mi de mi da ga te mi ni no ne khi tho cho we da we ni ballot no ballot si ta ni a ke da li ke la o we da la pwa la ni lo da ta khu cha mi ko ga de mo no ne khi tho cho we da ta kha ni di to la ne ki cho ta pha go mo no.
And the last day to request the ballot is November 2nd.
Don ni a lo ki ka te ni la ne ka khi tho we da di to pwa ni lo ta khu cha mi mo no ballot ni ke we da la November ki tho mo no ba nu ko le la November tho ni ta khu cha li me no la ko America ni.
And for those who do not want to request the ballot, the day of election is November 3rd.
Do pa pha la ta lo khi tho cho we da di to ballot la mi we da pwa ni lo ta khu cha mi ba ni no ta khu cha ni ke we da la November 3rd tho mo no.
And there's 3 spots in Marshall where you can go vote.
Do lo so da la we ma sha lo pu we da phe ni no ta lo we da 3rd to la ne le hi we da ta phan ni mo no.
And one of the spots is YMCA.
Do to ni ke we da YMCA no tu mi o la ma sha ni no ba te tu ke ti nya YMCA ta lo no tu mi te ti nya ti kwa ti di ti pho ti mo no we ti nya lo.
And then Marshall Middle School.
Do ki to ni no ma sha to kha ta jo no Marshall Middle School.
And in the Red Baron Ice Arena, right next to the high school.
Third daughter ni no Red Bear at when he arena ni ubu weda la when he tot jo khoti no when he tatu tho when he la pale skate a lot play ni mo no when he third la ma shebu.
I highly encourage you guys to vote, but also take part in the C and be a part of these discussions that do pertain our students and your students as well.
Doi hi ba ti la ti le hi ta pha no ta ka di ba hi ba se ko ti la ti kan la ta khu tha di ti pha mo no ba nu ko le lo chin no we ni no mi we da ta la pa chu pho ti pha go lo mo no.
And one huge impactor of my campaign is, as a diverse person I am, as a Somali person I'm well connected with the Quran community, and if I do get elected, I hope I can make my impact in the Quran community with creating ties with our Quran community, but also our Marshall Public School District and enhancing that connection.
Bloody ne academy ni di ikewada ba Somali voter ga to mia no yeta ba 20 arkimira Somali ba sado no yeta ba 12 usikodo weni pakanyo pho pha di to yimi da di to pite chale kludu lo chola ko America bu di sa so mo no ko ta ni mo no yimi ni ba no weda ta khu thai mo no mi ni ba lo chin no ni di ni no ye ka mara ni ta mi thela la Somalia go ba khu sit ko pa nyo phu de go no di to ke tho weda di to pa ta ga la pete cha la du se bu da when ni jo de when ni pa nyo to wo di ni mo no.
So thank you guys for your time, and a vote for me is a vote for the Quran community, and I hope I can get your guys' vote. Thank you.
The tablu ko ade no la ti ta chag to pha ko no ko ta ni no ti mi o da la Marshall Minnesota phe ni no awe mi ni no la ni mi le hita pha ni la ba la bu ni ne ka chi ba kwe lo da no should I get close? You can't put that in when you want to let the flower.
That's my name on the ballot.
Apply when you cool no na give in a quality title when you queloida that's so title when you wear me no where me get a Munar Hussein Mohamed Nur no akutanila nemile hita pani no la when him ta pali give one no bella when in ketiba da di no Kudani tablido malati ta chagata mo no da ye khu kanya te ta ni nyai ni paglas the popwa la pag life no we hello jena ri no she came here at 5 no 5 dori ni pag kete ka to lo di pag life khu nai ta kho to ni look ma cha le te ti nya ba ta blo kho ni ta ko da khe u tho lo mo no Kudani tablido ma no da thank you no ya kwa ti mi de phla ba yu ji de la di lai gi de tablico ga de da ti mi ulama shawu ni no make sure you vote for Munar okay awe mi ula we ni hita phali ke bu mo no di ni ya to no pawe pa ka nya pho te pha no awe ke tho ya do mo no I'm just telling you at the example awe ke tho da ta do no ne ti awe nya bo pho lo no do you mind tell them your age because I think they're gonna get impressed
26
da awe atani upwe ni le awe tani we da khichi khu ni no aku ta ne awe tani khichi khu ni awe aphu tame pa choi chok ko ga di ba no ati pho ro ba sa da we ni lo ta khu tha la we ni chu committee lo no ku ta ni ti we la order di de pho te pha ti kana pa a do ni di la ti pho ta lo no pa ka nyo pho ta lo no ba mnu ko la ka lo wa ta na pa ta lo the ni ba no ku ta ni mi te me ba ni mo no kha su nya ni no so mi so na no ta lo la di mi o tho ni no ni lo sa ko ta khu the ki no we ni me da ta chho thwe ti ti mi the la ba la o la America bu wa ti o la ti ko de be gi ni no di to ba ke ti ti bwa ka le go ni no ti ko ba mi bwa la cha tha la ti bwa ka le go lo ti mi te cha tha ba ni bwa ti ti no ga ba mo no a ku ta ni no we ni mi si ko ta he ba kha no ta video ma don't forget to subscribe no subscribe la we ni video phala here thumbs up do ko la si ko comment ba kha we da la Munar ta ko to dir pha no ta ti kwa me o a tho mi gi no ko la la comment lo ni ti ki no w ko ade okay
yes how do you say thank you
te wada when you thank you dile mo no te da thank you ni dile ni how do you say
no how do you say thank you I want to say thank you
you don't dare you don't believe dile what that dile you can learn it you're really fast claim no dile me how so thank you you say in Korean tablu
Tablu. Tablu.
tablu pado ko adela thank you so much tablu pado
Tablu. Batu. Tablu. Batu.
tablu pado ko adela okay bye bye
Bye.
this was fun